Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. We're just gonna hop right into it. Today I will be doing a tutorial slash a review of these gorgeous luxury designer press-on nails. This luxury nail company is called Iridescently Nailed, and I'm so excited to be working with them. I gave them a shout out in my previous nail tutorial video, and they saw it and sent these nails to me. You guys follow them on Instagram and please check out their website. So I am just loving the way everything was packaged. I love the pink. I just really am in love with the packaging. It's very professional. I love that she has the nail glue and a card with instructions on it. I followed these instructions as you will see throughout the rest of this tutorial and the review. So if you watched any of my previous nail tutorial, you'll see that I like to just soak my nails. I like to go through, clean them, use the cuticle oil. Girl, it's $3 at 5 and below, and it smells really great. So I just love to just massage that into my cuticles before I do anything, or before I go over the instructions that were sent in the nail packaging. So this is what I love to do. I feel like it helps me when I get ready to push back the cuticles. So per the instructions that were in the card, you are supposed to just use the cuticle pusher and gently push back the cuticles on your nails, so that way when you apply the nails, it will be a lot smoother. So now that we have the cuticle oil on there, we want to take alcohol and just make sure all of that oil is off. The glue will not stick to anything that is oily. I just love how beautiful and professional this instruction card is. It basically has 3 steps of gently pushing back the cuticle, cleaning your nails with the alcohol after you buff it with the buffer, and then you want to apply a very thin layer of this nail glue. And y'all, this nail glue is really strong. It plays no games. And then you want to press and hold it down for 30 seconds after you applied it. And once you press and hold it, like, girl, just get ready, because your nails, they ain't going nowhere at all. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to continue doing the same steps from that I just did. I'm gonna just continue doing the same thing throughout the entire set. Okay, so like one of my favorite thing about the nails is definitely the 3D butterfly. Like that is just, It's just all that, honey. And then I also love the designer. I love the Fendi, the YSL, the Gucci, and the Louis Vuitton print. Like, it is just so gorgeous. It's so fashion forward. Like, I am loving these sets, and I know you all will also. Like, girl, everybody that's seen my nails has definitely been running to the site and checking out the Instagram account. And they are just so gorgeous. Like, look at how they look. Like, this is definitely the best nail set I've ever had, and they're press on. So I'm loving it. I'm still rocking my set. It has been days I have not had a nail to pop, bend, or break. Like, these nails are so hard. They're not plasticky. You can still do your day-to-day tasks with them without worrying about them breaking or popping. And if I had to rate these nails, I would give them 10 out of 10 stars. So definitely check out these nails. I hope you guys love this tutorial / review. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.